Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix Dragon Age The Veilguard is not launching on your PC. I will show you guys the very effective solution. So first open up the Steam, then just click on the Dragon Age The Veilguard game. Once you click on that, then just click on the gear icon of your game. You will see the properties, just click on the properties. Now here you will see the launch option. Now here in the launch option, just type the commands. Now type -tx11. Once you type it, now launch the game, then check problem is fixed or not. If your problem is not fixed, so just type here -tx12, then launch the game, then check. If your problem is still not fixed, so just try here the command which is -d3d11. Once you type it, now launch the game, then check problem is fixed or not. Guys, if your problem is not fixed, so just remove this command, then just uncheck this box of enable the Steam overlay while in game. Just uncheck this, then launch the game, then check. And if your problem is still not fixed, if your game is still not launching, then go to the install files, then click on the verify integrate your game files. It will take some time, so you just need to wait for it, then simply restart your PC, then launch the game, then check problem is fixed or not. If not, then click on the browse option you are seeing on the top. It will take you to the folder where your game is installed. So make a right click on your game launcher or exe file of your game, just find it, make a right click on it, click on the property, then just go to the compatibility tab. Now here just uncheck the box of compatibility mode, also uncheck this box, then just check the box of administrator, then click on apply. Now launch the game, then check. If your problem is still not fixed, just try this disable full screen optimization, then click on apply. Now launch the game, then check. If your problem is still not fixed, then just check the box of compatibility mode and choose here the Windows 8. Now click on apply. Now launch the game, then check. Guys, if your problem is still not fixed and if your game is still not launching, so make sure that your Windows is updated and also make sure that your graphic cards are updated to the latest version. So once you update your graphic cards or the graphic drivers or the Windows, simply restart your PC, then launch the game, then check. And I hope guys one of the solutions fix your problem, and if yes, please like this video, and bye bye and take care.